Welcome to Eagle Mountain, a ghost town nestled in the California desert near Joshua Tree National Park. Once a thriving mining community, Eagle Mountain now stands as a testament to the bygone era. In the mid 20th century, Eagle Mountain was a bustling hub of iron ore mining. Its mines fueled the nation's steel production and played a crucial role in the development of the region. Here you can see what's left of the giant open pit mines. Explore with me the remnants of Eagle Mountain. From the skeletal remains of old mining facilities to the empty streets that once echoed with the sounds of industry. Each crumbling structure tells a story of boom and bust, of dreams forged in steel and left to rot in the desert sun. Here you can see the Eagle Mountain Community Correctional Facility. It was a medium security prison that was operated by the California Department of Corrections. It opened in 1988 and closed in 2003. At the peak, the prison housed hundreds of inmates, providing them with various programs and services aimed at rehabilitation. In 2003, it closed as a cost-saving measure for the state of California. The closure was met with mixed reactions from local residents and officials. Here you can see what's left standing of many of the mining operations in Eagle Mountain. Many of the structures no longer exist, but the few that stand showcase the scale and impact of the region's iron ore mining operations during the mid-20th century. This area has been featured in a few movies, notably one of them being Tenet that came out in the year 2020. Although Eagle Mountain remains largely abandoned, there are still limited facilities that operate inside the property. There is a caretaker too who lives on the property and keeps people from trespassing. You are not allowed to enter unless you have permission from the owners. There is also a school that sits on the nearby property that is still operational and serves the surrounding areas such as Desert Center. Being that Eagle Mountain was primarily a mining town and its economy existed around the Kaiser Steel plant, there was very limited opportunities for any commercial or retail establishments. Here is what is left over of those buildings. As we glide over the silent streets and crumbling buildings, it's hard not to feel the weight of history bearing down on us. Eagle Mountain's abandoned structures stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, offering a glimpse into a world that once thrived but now lies forgotten. Thank you for joining me in this journey through the abandoned remains of Eagle Mountain. My goal was to go out and record a video and capture Eagle Mountain in its current state, as it has recently been purchased by an investor and its future is unknown. I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of history that was attached to this video, and I look forward to creating more videos like this in the future. Until next time.